Welcome to the world of luxury outdoor living spaces. Today, we're diving into the latest trends that are transforming backyards into sumptuous outdoor retreats. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy garden nook or a grand poolside oasis, we've got the inspiration you need. So let's dive into the video. Luxury outdoor furniture. First, let's dive into the world of luxury outdoor furniture, where comfort meets style in the most exquisite ways. Outdoor furniture has evolved far beyond the traditional patio set. Today, it's all about creating a seamless blend between indoor and outdoor living. Picture yourself sinking into an oversized, plush sofa, surrounded by deep lounge chairs that invite you to relax for hours. The materials used in luxury outdoor furniture, such as durable teak, weather-resistant wicker, and sleek aluminum, are not only stylish but also designed to withstand the elements. This is furniture that offers both form and function, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors in comfort without sacrificing aesthetics. And don't forget to elevate the look with accessories. Think luxurious cushions, throws, and outdoor rugs that add texture and color to your space. From neutral color palettes that blend with nature to bold accents that make a statement, your outdoor furniture can truly reflect your personal style. Natural elements and greenery. Next, let's explore one of the most captivating trends in luxury outdoor living, incorporating natural elements. The beauty of nature is timeless, and more homeowners are bringing the outdoors into their living spaces by integrating lush greenery, stunning plants, and natural stone features. Whether it's a verdant garden wall, a series of perfectly placed potted plants, or even a serene water feature like a fountain or pond, these elements help create a peaceful, organic vibe. The idea is to blur the lines between your garden and the natural world, crafting an oasis that feels both luxurious and grounded in nature. Not only does this enhance the visual appeal of your space, but it also fosters a calming, serene environment that invites relaxation. Even if your space is more limited, you can still bring in elements of nature through creative landscaping. Vertical gardens, hanging planters, and compact water features allow you to enjoy a lush green atmosphere, no matter the size of your space. Outdoor kitchens and entertaining spaces. Now, let's talk about a trend that's turning outdoor spaces into true extensions of the home: outdoor kitchens and entertainment areas. The days of simple grills and basic patios are long gone. Today, outdoor kitchens are fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, stunning countertops, and all the amenities you need to cook, dine, and entertain in style. Imagine preparing a gourmet meal outside with a modern grill, a built-in pizza oven, or even a full range, all while surrounded by nature. Outdoor kitchens are becoming more sophisticated, allowing you to create restaurant-quality meals without ever stepping inside. And it's not just about the cooking. Entertaining is key. A sleek bar area with high stools and a built-in fridge for drinks can turn your backyard into a lively social hub. With comfortable seating, elegant dining areas, and thoughtful design, you can create a space that's perfect for any occasion. So, why limit your culinary creativity to the indoors when your backyard can offer just as much, if not more? Fire features for cozy nights. For those who love to enjoy their outdoor space long after the sun sets, fire features are an absolute must-have. There's something magical about gathering around a fire, whether it's a modern fire pit, a traditional outdoor fireplace, or a sleek fire bowl. Fire features not only provide warmth on cooler evenings, but also create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that draws people together. Imagine a cool night, wrapped in a blanket, with the soft glow of a fire flickering nearby. It's the perfect setting for relaxation or intimate conversations. The designs for fire features have come a long way, with options that range from contemporary minimalist styles to more rustic, natural looks that blend seamlessly into the landscape. It's an element that adds both warmth and ambience, making your outdoor living area a welcoming retreat any time of the year. So light the fire, grab a seat, and enjoy the peaceful glow. Lighting for ambience. Finally, let's talk about lighting, one of the most important elements in creating a luxurious outdoor space. Lighting has the power to transform your outdoor area, turning it into a magical retreat once the sun goes down. From the soft glow of string lights draped over a pergola to elegant lanterns placed along pathways, the right lighting can add depth, warmth, and ambience to your space. It's all about creating layers of light that enhance the beauty of your surroundings, while also making your outdoor space functional at night. Consider a combination of landscape lighting, such as spotlights highlighting architectural features, and softer, ambient lighting that creates a cozy atmosphere. And don't forget the importance of dimmable options, which allow you to adjust the mood as needed. By thoughtfully placing lights throughout your outdoor space, you can create a welcoming environment that feels luxurious and inviting. So let your outdoor space shine, no matter the time of day. So there you have it, a look at the latest trends in luxury outdoor living spaces. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest inspiration for your outdoor living spaces. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming and designing your perfect outdoor space.